Hey, good morning everybody. This is Daniel with Renaissance Home Repair and Hauling, and we're doing some painting, some wood repairs, some gate repairs, everything. Here's the gate we're working on this morning. Customer, homeowner wants this wood slats removed. He wants new ones put on, painted to meet HOA requirements. And then we're gonna add a new thumb gate latch here. The one that was there before is broken, so we're gonna put a new one on here and take care of it for him. Also, here are the new wood slats, and we're gonna be painting them. So that's gonna happen next. Once we get those painted, we're gonna start removing these, save all the bolts and nuts, trim and cut the new ones to fit, install them, put the thumb latch, make sure everything's nice and smooth and works. And we're done with this project, but I'll try to do some videos in between, and then of course show you the finished product. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye. Hello everybody, Daniel with Renaissance Home Repair and Hauling, and the gate is finally done. It took me a little longer than I planned for, but that happens. You know what? Painstaking to do a good job. So you do what you gotta do to make sure your customer's happy and do a good job. So that's the gate, new slats, painted with the new thumb latch. And let's see how this thumb latch works here. So let's see if I can show you guys. Oh, sorry. Got the new thumb latch here. Bam. There it is right there. Sorry guys. And it locks. There we go. So gate's done. I'm gonna show the customer, let her know how beautiful it looks, and hopefully she's happy, and another job well done. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and God bless. Bye.